She is definitely coming down at the moment. So we found a forest and we're going to try and stay for a couple of nights. I've just been walking all the way from up. I'll just show you. All the way along there and up around this river. So I think I'm going to try and find somewhere flat. We'll try and get a tarp up and then a tent, because yeah, she's already started raining. It was supposed to rain later this afternoon, but she's coming down now. So I mean, it looks pretty good down that way, so we'll go have a look. Okay, this is going to have to be the spot. It's just getting too, everything's just drenched already, so thinking about setting it up between these two trees. We've got a river down the bottom, so yeah, we'll do that now. Okay, we got a little bit of it put up. Now to do the rest. Got some pegs. We've got this last one to go now, and then we can chill out, because at least we'll be out of this rain. It's supposed to come later, but here it is. So tell you what, when I ordered this guy rope, I didn't realise it was made out of basically like shoestring. So whenever you try and tension the tent, it just goes all stretchy like a bungee cord. So I'm trying to make do what we got. Then I'll just size it and cut it. Thinking that should just about do us. All right, that's about us. Now these guy ropes are black, so there's no doubt I'm gonna do the old clothesline later on. I've moved everything in undercover. Got one more, actually that one over there to go. But yeah, so I've got everything, trying to dry it out because it was holding it down before. And we get the last one done, and then we're getting the tent sorted. It's starting to really come down. I don't know if you can hear it on the top, but yeah, she's coming down. Just started getting the base of the tent sorted out. It's just like a single rod that goes all the way through the middle. That was such an easy thing to do. Not like last last couple of camps I've used a different tent, the one Tigris, but this one's a new one. So man, this is so easy to do. As you can see, worked out alright. There's a little bit sort of poking out from the actual tarp, but at least that way we can sort of test if it actually leaks, or you know, because it's going to be half in the rain when it rains. But I realise I haven't got a seat, so I may have to try and work out either to make one or find some stones or some logs, find something. Now you're not going to believe it, but I've been looking for some wood or something to use as a seat, and if you look, I don't know if I can zoom in here, but we'll try. Anyways, way down by the water, there's a black fold up seat down there. Someone's obviously left it at some point. So I'm going to try and find a way down. See, I'm on like it's like a cliff almost. But if I can go for a walk, I might be able to find a way down there. It's about as close as I can get to it. Unless I can go down this way. Just can't cross this river. It's like I need to cross it to then get down lower to over that point. But it just doesn't seem like I can get down there. I could probably do it in the dry. Holy shit. I just almost fell down that. I could probably do it in the dry, but I can get down, but I'm not sure I can get back up again. So just keep having a look. It's about the non-steepest area, but it's still pretty steep. Oh, it might be like a walking trail that way. Let's give it a shot. Oh shit. There we go. Already stacked it. Just going to try and slide down. Oh shit. Oh. This is, whoa crap. Here we go. I think I'm going all the way down. Oh. Oh. Not sure if the camera will pick it up, but it's actually really steep there. It's almost like clay. At some point I think I'm gonna, oh crap. Yep. Oh, we just slid down there. That's fine, we made it. Now if that seat's still here, well, which it is, but if I can get to it, just got to work out how to get all the way back up there again. Let's go and have a look. Okay, down by the river. Now it looks got a handful of mud. Wonder if it's still actually any good. It looks a bit rusty. She is absolutely full of mud, but I might be able to use part of it, so what do you reckon? Let me fold this out. Yeah, this thing's shit, no go. It's just all full of dirt and it won't open up properly, so well, at least we got to come down and see the river. That's where we slid down. Look at this cool old, it's like a stone fence full of moss. Looks cool, doesn't it? It's like, makes you wonder when it was built and what they used it for. We made it back. That was a bloody journey, that. It's literally like clay. You can see how many times I slipped down. All those straight patches, that's just slipping and a sliding, so. Oh. Anyways, camp's just over here. Oh. I'm puffed out after all that. She's starting to, well, it's still been raining. So got the rifle, or the air rifle I should say. It's a multi-shot Gamo. So I'm going to set up a target, see if we can get the scope, get that sighted in. We'll do some shooting tomorrow, and in the meantime I think that's when when I got more time. See, it's getting late here. It's probably like, it's about, what is it, 4:38. Don't be late. So tomorrow I'll make a seat. Tonight I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. Also, I've got a solar charger as well, a solar generator. I'll show you that. We'll try and get some power, because already my batteries are going low. You hear that rain? I think it's going to be raining all night. Shortly I'm going to get some dinner sorted out. Okay, we have ourselves a seat. It's probably I don't know, foot off the ground, just tied up to steady it. The main stick's bowed, so yeah, we have a seat. Let's try. See if this will light. The whoop. It is absolutely freezing out there. Is that lighting them? See if we can heat it up. Okay, it is kind of burning. It's got the old Trangia. Gonna try and get some dinner going. Alright, she's coming along now. I was starting to think we're not having dinner, but it's going to take some time, but at least it's cooking. It's time for a little bit of salt and pepper, oregano, and then we'll give this a flip soon and see how it all goes, eh? See how she pans out. Flame's working pretty well. This little steak's almost done. I've seasoned it, and see if I can flip it. Nope. So yeah, this will be dinner in a minute. So yeah, I'm going to call it an early night. We'll get everything ready and prepared tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you in the morning. It's gonna be good. I was thinking last night, there's no way this wood's gonna be any good for today, but I think if we can get it while it's somewhat dry, be all good. Just trying to cut all the wet bark off of it. Actually works all right. With this old katana. See, it's just stripping all the wet stuff off. So once you cut a strip down the side, it basically just peels off, and then it's a bit drier, so that's pretty good. Not bad. So we got the wood ready. Hopefully that's enough. I'm going to try and get some breakfast going. See if we can get a flame. Now, I haven't really tried to make a fire with wet wood pretty much ever, so I may or may not record it, but we'll see how it goes. Let's give this go. Oh, I think she's on. It's so wet, that stuff. Well, looks like a fire is a no-go, because these bits of wood are starting, but all the water's just coming out of it. So got a little bit left in the trangia. I'll see if that's enough, but it just means we may not have dinner. So we'll see. So I've resorted to having to try to cook it in the tent, which I probably wouldn't recommend because there's a flame. But that pan is just not getting hot enough, so I think next time I'm going to have to look at different ways you can cook food, because that trangia is probably just good for heating a bit of water for a coffee or something. Well, she's coming along, so it'll be something to eat for breakfast finally. The old ham fritters, ham and pineapple fritter. Well, that's breakfast. And that pan is so hot. So I brought the Trangia as like a backup. I'm glad I did, because I just can't get a fire going. All the wood's just way too wet from all yesterday and last night. It's got some salt and pepper and oregano. The old ham and pineapple fritters. It's exactly how I remember it. We used to do it when we were younger, back in Adelaide, in Australia. Alright, so in a minute, we're going to do some target practice with the rifle. Set up a target and just get used to the gun. Just going to see if I can show you a bit of ammo to load it. So you got this, you line it up, and as you put the pellet in, it spins around. So you've got 8 shots. You can see that there. Just drop it in, push it down. Next one, just rotate the magazine. To load the rifle, you got a little clip. If you line that up, just clips in. From there, break the barrel, cock it, and she's ready to go. Should be close to 12 foot-pounds. I've got a target just down from here. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it, so I'll probably get my second camera out, and yeah, we'll take a few shots. Bullseye. About 15 meters away. And the target's about 2 inches wide. Missed that one. Got that one. So I've been at the range with the scope. What was it, about a week ago? So it is pretty much all sighted in. I mean, that's 15 meters, 2-inch target. So yeah, it's hit them 2 out of 3 times. All right, I think I'll get the other camera out and we'll take a couple of shots. Absolutely bang on. So fires with 12 foot-pounds or just under. Apparently to kill a squirrel you need about 5 foot-pounds. That's at the squirrel. So I think for like rabbits, squirrels, pigeons, things like that, this would be right for. See, it's an air rifle. It's not an actual firearm, but that's a bit of fun. Just going to show you the target. Taken a few shots at it already. This is it. So just digs into the ground. As you sort of hit the target, it spins around, makes a little bit of a noise, lets you know you hit it. Okay, so we've done a bit of a target practice, but I think next time I'm going to bring some paper targets, get all the cameras set up properly. See, this camp is sort of a spur of the moment type thing. I just saw on Google Maps, you know, this sort of area, and went just, this is just to sort of see what the area is like. So nothing's properly prepared, but I think in the next video it'd be a lot better. For example, this old piece of wood is my seat. I've got no table. I've got no water. There is a stream down there if I get desperate, but I've got beer anyway. What else have I forgotten? I've forgotten quite a few things on this trip. Yeah, no seat, no table, no water. I think there's a couple other things I just can't remember right now. Ah, couldn't get the fire going properly. The tranger's almost out of fuel. So yeah, it's just a bit of a shamble this trip, but in the next one I'll be more prepared. And to be honest, this is the first camping trip in a while. If you've seen previous videos, I think they're about a year and a half ago or something. So this is the first trip back at it. And yeah, hopefully the next one will be, it'll show you things properly. Yeah, I've got solar panels and things like that I want to sort of show as well and test out. So I think in the next trip, this one here is more just to see what's around, see what the terrain's like, and yeah, it's just a bit of a scout trip really. Just thought I'd show you the solar panel. It's a big blue 28 watt, you can find it on Amazon. It's about 55 quid on sale. Got this app on my phone. So it's pulling 740 milliamps at, what's that, 4.4 volts. It's just connected and actually shows you on the device what it pulls as well. So it's only a little bit of sun. I haven't even got it laid, you know, upright. It's just sitting flat. But to get 700 milliamps is about half as what you'd get out of a normal plug socket. Alright, so I've got it strapped to a tree because there's a bit more sun getting over this hill now. The 28 watts, and I've got it on the solar, on the battery bank. Let's see if I can show it. It's now getting 2.8 amps, 4.5 volts. So that is doing really well. So I haven't given up on a fire just yet. This wood I collected earlier, and then I stripped the bark off it. Now I've taken this one, hang on a sec, and I've just gone around it with a knife, getting these little shavings. So maybe that's enough to get it going. I'm not sure I'll record trying to start it because I've only got one shot, but I'll see if I can get this fire going. So there's the attempt at lighting it. it almost came up, but it just couldn't maintain. So tried using that lighter, but that lighter went empty as well. And the ferro rod's just not enough to do it, so looks like it'll be a dried packet of noodles for dinner. It's now the morning after, so what's this, day 3? So I've been here 2 nights. No dinner last night, apart from dry noodles. But no water for 3 days now. Yeah, things haven't quite gone to plan this round. But I think, as I've said, this is more of just to scout the area, see what's around. Definitely a really awesome camping spot. Definitely coming back. Just got to change a few things and bring a few extra things as well, and work out something with the fire situation. Just got on my gear, about to leave, and this little fella's come to say hello. Anyways, I'll be off now, so catch us later.